Welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving a deceptively simple equation, that is x dot x dot x plus x equal x dot x. So here dot means multiplication. So this becomes a clean algebra problem. So let's break it down step by step. So we can write x dot x as x cubed plus x equal x square. Now bring everything on one side. So x cubed minus x square plus x equals 0. So let's factor out x. So it becomes x square minus x plus 1 equals 0. So we get two cases. First x equals 0 and then x square minus x plus 1 equals 0. So here it's a quadratic equation. So we are going to find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Here a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is the constant. So minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 by, so it becomes 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. So it's negative, that means complex root. So let's find out the roots. So x square minus x plus 1 equals 0. So x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus 1 plus minus, we already solved b square minus 4ac, that is minus 3 by 2 times 1. So minus is plus 1 plus minus root 3. Minus root 3 we can write it as root 3 times minus root 1 by 2. So 1 plus minus root 3 iota by 2. So x is 0 and x is 1 plus root 3 iota by 2 and x is 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. So three clear solutions. So did you guess x is equals to 0 only? So drop your answer in comments and subscribe for more algebra pattern puzzles. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.